Once upon a time, in a vast, silent forest, a large flock of sheep made its way slowly through a narrow valley. They moved together, calm and unaware, until, without warning, a pack of wolves emerged from the shadows and blocked their path. The sheep froze, eyes wide, legs trembling. They knew what usually came next. "This is the end," one whispered. But something strange happened. The wolves didn't attack. Instead, their leader stepped forward, calm, confident, almost amused. He looked at the flock and smiled. "Relax," he said softly. "We're not here to hunt, not today." The sheep exchanged confused glances. The wolf continued. "We just want to play a little game." He paused. "At sunset, whoever's standing at the very back belongs to us." With that, the wolves stepped aside. No chasing, no growling. They simply waited. The sheep stood still, trying to make sense of it. Then one took a step forward, another followed, and then a single thought caught like wildfire. "I just need to not be last." That was all it took. The calm walk became a brisk pace. The pace became a run, and the run became chaos. "Move! Let me through! Don't push me! I'm not going to be the one who dies." Fear had taken hold, but something deeper had taken over. Self-preservation at any cost. They were no longer running from the wolves. They were running from each other. Some shoved others behind them. Some tripped the weaker ones. Some looked back, calculated, and chose who to sacrifice. One sheep shouted, "Sorry, it's you or me," and shoved another aside. The wolves never moved. They simply watched. They didn't need to take a single step because their trap was never physical. It was psychological. Hours passed. The sun began to sink. The sheep were gasping now, legs shaking, bodies spent. But their minds were still trapped in the game. Just a little farther. "Just don't be last." One old sheep, exhausted and wounded, cried out, "Stop! We're destroying ourselves." No one listened. Fear had made them deaf. At last, the sun touched the horizon. Silence fell. The wolves stepped forward. Unhurried, it was unnecessary to rush. Because what lay before them was already a broken herd, exhausted, divided, defeated by its own hand. As the last light faded, one sheep lay on the ground, looking first at the wolves, then at what remained of its herd. In its final breath, it understood the wolves didn't defeat us. We defeated ourselves, and then quietly, the wolves walked in. This isn't really a story about sheep and wolves. It's a story about how the world works. Sometimes an enemy doesn't need to attack you directly. All it has to do is plant a single idea in your mind. You're only safe if you're ahead of everyone else. And once that idea takes root, you start running. You start comparing. You start competing. You start pushing others down, never realizing that the real trap was never outside you. It was inside your own mind. This is what's known as the theater effect. Fear creates chaos, and chaos destroys unity.